Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Snapchat Web without needing your phone, right from your computer. Whether your phone is temporarily unavailable or you simply prefer the convenience of a larger screen, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the official Snapchat web page. Open your favorite browser and type in web.snapchat.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be greeted with the Snapchat web login page. Then tap on log into chat. Here you can use your phone number instead, but we don't have a phone number, so we'll be using our username or email ID. After you've entered your username, tap on next, then type in your password, then again tap on next, and after you've entered a correct password, you'll be logged into your Snapchat web without needing your phone number or your phone. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to access Snapchat web without your phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.